Guys, welcome to part two of this three-part series where we are creating customized buttons in Notion to automate some of your repetitive tasks. Let's get started. In this example, we'll use some practical workflows using buttons, including automations that can help speed up some of your daily tasks. Currently, I'm on a blank page. I'm going to go ahead and name this page Daily Task. And let's enter down a couple of spaces, and we'll start by creating a database. So I'll type the / to bring up our commands menu and start typing data. And in this case, we'll choose an inline database. I click that, and we'll name this database daily task as well. And right here, this first property or column, we'll name this task. Okay, and we'll add a property or column right here. And in this column property, we'll add a checkbox property. And we'll add another property here by clicking on the plus. And this one we'll add a date property. Okay. Now we click back up here and just enter down a couple of spaces. Give us room to create a button here. And here we'll type the / to bring up our command menu again and start typing button. Here it is for us here. We click that and we'll name this button daily task as well. By the way, guys, if you'd like a free copy of my Notion Buttons reference guide, please click the link below and enjoy. Okay. And right here, we'll give it a little icon. Let's type in task and see what we bring up. Let's go with an emoji and see what we find here. We'll just go with this one. Okay. So when this button is clicked, what do you want it to do? And in this case, I'm going to click on New Action. And what I want it to do is to add a page into my daily task database down here. So again, click New Action, add a page. Where do I want to add the page? Right here. The source is into my daily task database, which is right here. I'll click that. And then in this first property right here, same thing as here. We're going to name this one of our tasks. And in this example, let's say we have morning task or morning things that we like to complete. So let's see. Okay. And I'm going to edit this property to add a date to this. And the date should always be the date trigger. Not always, but in this case, yes. So when I hit the button, it's going to be on the date that I hit that button, the date that I trigger that button. So we'll click that. Next, we want to add another action. So we're going to add another task, basically. Again, add a page 2. We're going to add it to our daily task database right here. And what is our next task that we want to add? Let's see. Again, edit a property right here so we can put in a date. Date triggered, the date that I triggered the button. Let's add a couple more. Okay. Now we can go down and click on Done. And now our button is set. So now when we click this button, watch what happens. Instantly, it brings up our task for us with the current date that we hit the button. Now, what I need to do also, or what we can do, is filter this down further. So right here, if we click on filter, and we want to filter the checkbox property, click that. And what I wanted to do is filter it so that it's unchecked. And we'll click that and I'll show you why. So now that it's filtered with unchecked, so once I check it, these tasks will disappear. So every morning as you come in and complete your tasks, just check them off and they're gone. Come back the next day, hit your button, daily task. As you complete your tasks, you can check them off. Job done. Hey guys, that's the end of part 2. Let's go ahead and jump into part 3 where I'll show you some more advanced button setups. Click the link below and let's get started.